Xtiles and Todoist. Todoist versus Xtiles. Which productivity tool wins? Are you struggling to stay organized? Today we're comparing these two powerful productivity tools. We want to see which one will help you crush your goals faster. Let's find out. Who are they best for? Todoist is best for task lists and quick to-dos, while Xtiles is best for visual thinkers and note takers. When it comes to design, Todoist is simple and clean, while Xtiles is beautiful. It has a canvas style. When it comes to task management, Todoist is super fast. It has super fast input, while Xtiles has drag and drop flexibility. When it comes to collaboration, Todoist is great for teams, while Xtiles is limited for now. When it comes to integrations, Todoist has about 80 plus apps like integrates about 80 plus apps like Google and Slack, while Xtiles has fewer integrations but is growing. When it comes to pricing, Todoist has a free plan available, while Xtiles has free trial, then paid subscription. When it comes to mobile experience, we have smooth and fast for Todoist. It's smooth and fast, while for Xtiles it's still improving. When it comes to their unique perks, Todoist has a natural language input. For example, you can just say call mom at 3 p.m. While Xtiles has infinite canvas for ideas. So in summary, choose Todoist if you want speed, simplicity, and team features. But pick Xtiles if you love visual organization like Notion plus whiteboards. So which one are you? Are you team Todoist or team Xtiles? Drop your pick in the comments, and if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech showdowns. See you in the next video.